pretty scary world out there, full of cooties. We're so desperate to keep cooties away, we'll use just about anything, even brands as old as dinosaurs. Oof! They should be extinct. They smell ickier than a boy.
What?
Not for use on skin. Should I even be touching this? Here's the problem. Most disinfectants use cheap ethyl alcohol rather than hospital-grade isopropyl. And ethyl not only lingers on surfaces, it smells like mommy's happy juice. Vodka. Even big brands use icky ingredients that I can't even pronounce. But here goes nothing. Dimethyl, N-achiol, etyl, decal. Ingredients like these can irritate your skin, eyes, and lungs. And the FDA has just recalled more than 150 disinfectants with harmful stuff. I don't know about you, but I like my wipes how I like my friends. Non-toxic. Thank goshness Mommy found Dr. Brite. Alcohol wipes safe enough to use without a hazmat suit, but strong enough to absolutely massacre cooties. They ship from California so they get to your door before you can even say coronavirus. Ooh. Killing cooties doesn't have to be a chore. These are wipes you'll actually want to use. Hopping in the car? Wipe it. Back at the office? Wipe it. Grocery shopping? Wipe it. Gym reopened? Wipe it. Messy kitchen? Wipe it. Icky boy?
Wipe it?
Wipe it. They're perfectly safe for your bare hands. And even your bear's bare hands. Or your bear's bare hands. These wipes are the glue that's holding my life together. Mommy hasn't been this worried since I discovered gummy worms. With 70% isopropyl alcohol, Dr. Brite wipes are recommended by the CDC, which I think stands for Cootie Destroyers Club. They have just what they need to work and nothing more. No toxins, no harsh chemicals, no fillers, no kidding. Huh? Not again. Not only do they come in great scents like citrus and eucalyptus, they're also made from bamboo, which can grow up to 180 times faster than cotton. In just a day, bamboo can grow taller than me. So these wipes are way better for our planet than cotton ones. So if you have a nose, skin, or both, swipe up or click below to get Dr. Brite wipes today. But if you actually like life in a hazmat suit, I'm sure conventional wipes are just fine. Dr. Brite has over 8,000 five-star reviews. That's like almost a bajillion. Debbie from Tallahassee says, never going back to the others. These wipes are clearly the best. And Jenny from London, Ohio wrote, money may not buy happiness, but it sure does buy a lot of Dr. Brite wipes. Oh, sticker! Dr. Brite's has been featured on Fox News, Forbes, Entrepreneur, The Doctors, and even the famous YouTube channel, Cootie Killer Lily. Make sure to like and subscribe. They even offer a cootie-free guarantee, so if these aren't the best wipes you ever used, you can always get your money back. And your cooties back. It's a cootie-filled world out there.
Lily, your friends are here.
Coming! So if you're ready to play outside again, but don't want to play around with your health, you have to check out Dr. Brite. Oh, and use my secret code LILY at the checkout for a surprise!